Hey guys, I just wanted to read through the directions for you for our rigid transformations final project and then show you how to start on that. So the objectives of this project will be to convey your understanding of the transformation of your choosing, to create and describe the transformation in a way that would help teach others, and to create a graphic that would show why you think your transformation is important. So for the directions, it says, in this activity, you will be able to choose one of the rigid transformations we have been discussing in class and describe why it is important along with the rules of that transformation, how to use it, and how to identify it in action. You're treating your transformation as if it were a product you were trying to sell. Create an advertisement that would convince everyone to try your transformation. Start by choosing which transformation you want to describe. So do you want to describe a rotation, a translation, or a reflection? You're going to choose one of those three. I would organize your thoughts in your notebook before you get started. Think of ways you can describe your transformation that would be exciting to people. Also, you're going to do some research on careers that use transformations, specifically a rotation, a translation, or a reflection, depending on which one you chose. Then, when you're ready and you think you have all your research done, you're going to open up a new Google Drawing and display your information for the world. Items that are needed, you need to name your transformation on your Google Drawing. You need to give the rules of that transformation, a visual example of the transformation. So you can either draw an example, you can find one on the internet and put it in there, or you can create one using the clip art, etc. Catchphrase or slogan for your transformation. So just like Nike has "just do it" as their slogan, you're going to come up with a slogan for your specific transformation. Why should people use that transformation? What could your transformation be used for? And think of jobs or people who are using that transformation. And your final 5 points are going to come from it being visually appealing and easy to read or understand. So what I mean by that is you don't want to have too much craziness going on your Google drawing. So I'm going to go over to my Google. I'm going to open a new Google Drawing. So you're going to have to open and then go down probably to more Google Drawings, just like I just did. I would recommend titling it right away. That way you don't lose track of it. And then what I'm talking about with it being visually appealing is as you add things, so if you're adding a photo or if you're adding text or adding a shape, don't just throw a ton of stuff on there. So if I'm going to put a shape here, I don't need to put arrows everywhere, and I don't need to have lots of different colors in my font. Make it so that I can read it, make it so that it's easy to read, easy to understand. Don't do a ton of crazy colors. It's kind of hard when you have lots of different colors going on to see everything. So make sure that what you're doing is easy to read, visibly appealing, and so on. So don't forget, all the information that you need to have is listed in the directions, and you are able to create that Google Drawing as soon as you're ready. When you're finished, you're going to turn it in by taking a screenshot of it and posting it to our Schoology page. As always, if you have any questions, message me on Schoology or send me an email, and good luck.